All right. Oh my God. Let me turn this down. Very loud. All right. Grand Slam Auto. Yeah. I just felt like making a little car game last night. And so I followed a tutorial, and this is what I got. It's pretty good. And I downloaded all the assets from Kenny. Make it to a flip? I don't know how to do that. I'm not very good at the game yet. Hold on, let me see if I can build a flip. Who's singing? Um, that's not right. For a second, I thought you took out the humans and the map, so to speak. No. This is new. This is fresh. The humans and the map is still waiting on the emails. I'm still waiting on emails for that one. Which I guess I don't need to wait on the emails if we go with the new plan, but yeah. That one's not ready. That one's not ready for the public eye. Who's rapping? Am I gonna get taken down for this? I shouldn't. Okay. Here's my game. That one's not ready for the public guy. No. The public guy is not ready for that. What's up, nerds? Nothing. I'm just making a hit and run. Not clone. Not a clone. Just inspired by a game inspired by The Simpsons Hit and Run. I'm thinking I want a fake television show that this game is based on. And then this is the world of the television show in game form. It's fake. Almost like UFO 50, where it's got a fake console. A fake console that a bunch of games were released on. This one is get out of the car. I'm working on that feature. I could add that. This is the size of the human. I put a human scale reference here. I wanted to add drifting first. I wanted to get the car right. The walking around is going to be that's the easiest part. Get out of the car. Doesn't even have arms. It's just a triangle. No, it's a square. I mean, it's a rectangle or something. It's not a triangle. It's a little wrong. Is this Will Smith? That sounds just like... Okay, that doesn't sound like him anymore. That's a little bit like Will Smith. This is Won't Smith. He's lost the will. Let me try getting in a ramp. Let me put in my favorite package to manage. And forget what it's called. This. How do I go here? That's wrong. Send me. Here we go. If no, there we go. Right here. This one's real good. Does it add a gun, this one? No, this one does not add a gun. you can, what is this doing down here? Get out of here. This one will let you add a gun. If you see a game with a gun, it's because they have this. This allows weapons. I mean guns. Let me just show you. Let me just show you. If it works. I hope it works. Leak the Game Awards? Do it now? I could. I really could. Very tempting. Gun allower mod. Yeah, you have to install a bunch of mods in Unity to get it to work, right? Can we get a 1 second snippet? I think a 1 second snippet would be too much of a spoiler. The show is incredible. And it's incredible. That's it. That's all I can say. You've installed mods on Minecraft before. Then you can probably make a game in Unity. Yeah, it's practically the same thing. It is the same thing. Let's just say it's the same thing. Can we get a 1 frame sneak peek? 1 frame sneak peek? Let me see if I can open it up. Let me see if I can open it up and give you a 1 frame sneak peek. This is gonna be tricky. I think I'm gonna have to, hold on, I'm gonna have to hide my screen here for a second. Okay. One frame. Okay, ready? 1 frame sneak peek. 1 frame. Now everybody pay attention because you're gonna miss it if you're not looking. It's a 1 second of 1 frame. Ready? Okay. Did anybody get that? That was real footage. Okay, now we're back. That's exciting. You're pretty hyped up now, aren't you? Oh yeah, you're hyped up. Let's watch the video and then we'll choose a frame to sneak peek. That's a good idea. Frame 6,800. I wish I could. Let us choose the frame. I don't know how to I don't know how to get to the frame. I don't know how to get to frames. Does anyone know how to get to a specific frame on VLC? You don't? If anyone knows, I'll try it then. If you actually want to choose a frame. I don't know how to do that though. How's the music? Is it too loud, too quiet, just right? Okay, I've got my thingy. I think I installed it. Let's see, tools. There it is. Create a model. Enable real-time, yes. Now there's a way to put this off of this and put it somewhere else because I don't like it when it's here. I need this to go somewhere else. I don't like it when it's on the screen window. There it is. Okay, there we go. Put this right here. That's where I like it. Okay, perfect. Now this is how you create a ramp in real-time CSG. Generate a box. Bring it up. Then generate a cylinder. I screwed up. Generate a cylinder. And bring it over here to cut right into it. And there's the ramp. Done. Now put the ramp. How do I? Alt? Nope. I'm pressing the wrong button. There it is. Okay. Now take the ramp. Wow, that's where it is. That's where the pivot is. Oops. I think I built it wrong. I'll put it over there. There we go. The pivots I built. Okay. Okay. This goes here into the ground. Flip it around. I don't know if this will work, but hopefully it does. Well, you know, I'll put it over here. Right there. That's perfect. Oh, we're cooking. You're losing me. Give me a simpler explanation, please. You wouldn't have done that? Let's get you on the call. Look at that. Oh my god. The game works perfectly. That actually did work pretty good. That was smooth. Oh, if only it flipped a little more. The whirls aren't spinning? They aren't. You're right. Also, when you're airborne, the wheels kind of they don't settle naturally. They're like inside the vehicle. Whatever. That's a visual thing. Oh, I did a flip. Perfect flip. That was awesome. Okay, let me fix this a little bit. I think I can make this be a little better. Bring this over here. No, bring this down here. Yes. Oh, perhaps. How do I make the whole thing smaller? I don't know if I can. I don't know if I know how to do that. This is what I want, though. That's what I want. Oh, there we go. Now, okay, that's perfect. That thing. Bring this down into the ground. This is a good ramp. Okay. Good enough for you? Alright, good. I'm supposed to be making it drift. Not making it do a flip. Okay. There we go. And there it is. Perfect. Make it drip. I think I can do that. How do I... One of these around here somewhere. There. Perfect. And that's perfect. The perfect ramp. Very smooth. And then I disable. Hey. I don't know how do I... whatever. Oh, there it is. Okay. Make it drip. Can you be more specific? Can you elaborate on that? I can probably make it drip. I just don't know what that means exactly. No, you cannot. Okay. I could probably make it rotate in the air so you could just make it do a flip. Now, I just hooked up this. I got a free trial of GitHub Copilot chat so that the code will write itself. So I don't really need to do any work. For example, if I just write 2 comments here, automatically it'll just make it say something. And I don't even need to know what it says. What does it say? If the raycast hits something, apply the suspension force and set the tire model position to the hit point. No, that's wrong. That's not good. That's not that accurate. If the raycast hits something, Give me something else. Okay, that's not gonna work. Okay, so far, not working, not good. Nuts. Can you modify the game so that it shuts down the computer if you crash into a wall? os.execute shutdown. You know what I can do? I'm gonna ask Copilot to do that. Shut down computer code. Okay. To shut down the computer from a Unity application using C#, you can use the system.diagnostics.process class to execute a shutdown command. Here's how you can add a method to your vehicle class to shut down the computer. Thank you. AI is good for something here. Here we go. Look at that. There it is. You have to be polite to the Copilot or it'll give you virus code. Oh, please and thank yous. Oh, sorry. Okay. Thank you. If I write thank you, I think it's gonna use that as a what do you call it? It's gonna use up one of my credits. Can you add 14 characters? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Well, this game is based on here's what I want. Here's what I want. Small game, vehicle oriented. Perhaps you can leave the vehicle like in The Simpsons Hit and Run, but I want to create a fake animated sitcom, and then this is the game based on that fake sitcom. So the game will reference jokes and episodes from that fake sitcom. That's the lore of the game. But first, I actually need to make the game kind of like, I need to make it playable. Now, I've been following a tutorial, and it's pretty good. I don't know if anyone has seen this tutorial before. And you know what? I can't even watch it. I can't even use it to... Oh, I have to shut down the YouTube stream. If I'm going to be watching YouTube, I need to shut down the YouTube stream. All right, everybody on YouTube, thank you so much for tuning in. Well, but then this isn't going to be archived. It's gone forever. Ah, okay. Well, I'll just try to not watch it. I'll try to not watch it and hit show PP Boys 2. Well, that does imply that there was a PP Boy and a PP Boys 1. Don't kill us. I won't. Logan, I'm not going to do it because I can't, because I need the archive. I want the archive just in case, you know, I die tomorrow. I need let us live. I will YouTube chat will always prevail. Maybe. Not really. Not really. It's not maybe. Maybe. I just can't watch YouTube on YouTube. I can't stream it. You guys don't need to fight back. I'm not shutting it down. I'm not shutting it down. You're fine where you're at. But do come over to Twitch. Physics, car. What is it? Toy Box Games, I think. Toyful Games. There's this tutorial that I've been following, and their cars are really nice, and this is a good system. And I think they had something. I've been following it mostly. But I can't watch this. I'm just gonna do frame by frame analysis. 13 pounds of slime in my sink. Take Twitch down. Just get someone else in chat to watch the tutorial for you and relay the steps in chat. Okay, thank you. Yes. You do that. Somebody do that. Tell me. Well, I've already watched the whole thing. I just need this. I just need to figure out what he says here. Like, what is it? What's the point here? Like, he has a curve. He has a curve for the grip. I have the grip mechanics already in. It's just he has a curve for the grip. So if it becomes if the tires slip too much, then they lose even more grip and it goes into like a drift. I can just do that. Suspension params. There's got to be some. I have an engine power curve. Maybe I need this. Maybe I need something like, actually, oh, I could do this. Okay. Stable? No, stable? No. Okay, I need to figure out how does drifting work? Does anybody know? Okay, I'm just gonna put it here. I'm just gonna do it for all wheels. Engine power curve, wheel grip curve. Yeah. And then the wheel grip factor. What does that mean? The factor should change. Right? Cars have too many wheels. I'm lost. Yeah. I'm lost as well. Maybe I can ask Copilot. Hey, Copilot, can you you know what? Let me just ask Copilot. Hey, hey there. Can you make it so Copilot, teach me how to grip. Hey there. Can you make it so ask Grow Pilot to make you bigger? Hey there. Can you make it so I'm tall, I'm big? Do you know what's his name? Tom Hanks. Have you seen the movie Big? Can you make it so the wheel, can you make it so um can you make it so the what is this? Where is this? That's suspension, steering force. Where's the grip? Okay, yeah. The grip. Okay, so the velocity, world wheel velocity. This is the direction of the spring force. That shouldn't be the spring force. That shouldn't be the velocity of the suspension. Is it? What's the wheel's velocity in the steering direction? No, the steering direction, steering velocity. What does that mean? This is steering? This is steering force. Wait. And this does use the grip. Desired velocity change. The steering velocity negative. Negative of the steering velocity. Oh, okay. So the steering velocity is, I see. Velocity in the steering direction. Okay. Hey, I'm there. Hey there. Can you make it so when can you make it so when the wheel in wheel steering in wheel steering force, start over and give the car Quake movement? No, I can't do that. Copilot doesn't know. Copilot's never played Quake. They don't know. They don't understand feeling. But they'll understand what I'm saying here. Hey there. Can you make it so when the wheel in the steering, wheel steering force, slides in the incorrect direction too much, it loses grip. And then I'll just say, I'll just have it use this. use wheel grip curve to make it happen. Okay, there we go. Boom. They'll get that. They'll get it. They'll get it. Sure, I can help with that. We will modify the wheel steering force method to use wheel grip curve to adjust the wheel grip factor based on how much the wheel is sliding in the incorrect direction. All right, there we go. Done. I'm gonna freak out if it actually understood what I meant and did it correctly. There's no way in the world that it understood what I was trying to say. And there's no way in the world that this just actually won and made me win. Made me win the game. What is this gonna do? I'd be scared if I'd be scared if this works. I gotta put on some music for this to make sure the game works. Okay. So the grip curve. I'm gonna copy this. What did I see in here? They had one in here. Okay. What is this? Let me just copy what they have here. I don't know what that is. It's like right here, and then then it goes way down to like way down here, and then that's it pretty much. Get out of the way. Hey, I said get out of the way. And then this goes, yeah. After this point, it stays here, so might as well just keep it, right? Okay, where is it? Let me just go to 1. Let me just put it down just so I know. There we go. There we go. That's how it looks. That's kind of how it looks. What this one did right here. Copilot is up to something nefarious if this works. Yeah, this is this could be evil. I might need to bring in a priest if this works. It didn't work calling it now. Well, let's just see. Okay. Okay. You forgot to thank the Copilot. This could be a virus. Uh-oh. Okay, hold on a second. I think the problem is I have the grip factor, the default grip factor is really high, so there's no slippage at all. There's no way it could go in the wrong direction. Okay, we do this. Okay. Don't know if it's doing anything. Oh, maybe a little? I don't think so. I don't know what that did. Let me read the code. What did they even do? Okay, calculate the grip factor based on the wheel's sliding velocity. Okay, grip loss factor equals grip curve evaluate steering velocity. I think. Did it? That seems wrong right here. Steering velocity. Just putting that in there. What is steering velocity? I would love to know. I can't watch the video, the tutorial though. Have it poof out particles or change colors when it's sliding, just so you can see when it's activating. Oh yeah, okay. I don't know what. I don't know what that. I don't know. How do I check if it's sliding? The change in, what did it do? Did it just add this one line? Let me just print out what's going on here. Let me just print out the adjusted grip factor. I don't know what's going on. But if it's changing, I don't know. Let me just drop this down to 5. What's going on here? Okay. The grip factor is... Oh! Oh! Maybe I could change this. Let's drop it down. So if it loses even a little bit of grip, then it goes out of control here. It's losing a little. Can I change? How about my max turn angle? What if I just make it so I can have a sharper turn? Come on now. Lose grip. Change color of car when grip hits X. Oh, yeah. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I can... Oh, okay, I know what I can do. I can put some debug lines for the wheels. Because this runs for every individual wheel. So if one wheel loses grip, we'll be able to see. So if adjusted grip factor is add some grip lines. What does that mean? I know that's what I just said, but what does that mean? what do you mean when you say that? All right, adjusted grip factor is less than, let's just say if it's less than 8, debug.draw line. That was an autocomplete? Wait, what? What does this even say? This Copilot's throwing me off. Now that it's auto-completing, it's throwing me off.
US Minsmere just is now following.
Hey, US Minsmere. Thanks for following. What brings you by? What is that? What's that noise? What'd you do? Oh, I reached a follower goal. Thanks a lot, US man smear. Usman smear. Thank you. Keep it on the YouTube. It's the Wild West over there. Hey, I made a shader for your game that you can just directly set the rotation speed for turning wheels instead of having to code it spinning. Oh, really? Thank you. How's okay? I don't know how that works, but wow, Usman is the new Chonkus. He is. Wow. Send it. I'll try it out. What is this? Visualize the steering direction. No, I don't want that. I want I just want to I need to take this one step, but the AI is throwing me off. I need to even just with this simple draw line. All right, start at wheel dot. Oh, can I just do hit dot point? Nope. This doesn't use a hit. Okay. Wheel dot origin, ray origin dot position. Wheel dot ray origin dot position plus vector 3 dot down color dot let's just say green. And if it's greater than 8, and I'm just gonna put a bunch of else ifs for now. Where am I? If it's greater than 5, make it, is there an orange? No, there's a blue. Okay, we'll make it blue. And then if it's greater than 0, it's just last resort. I guess we could just do another else, but well, then we'll make it red. Okay. There we go. That should do something, right? I think there's a time. How much time does this last for? Duration, yeah. I'm gonna need to do this. Okay. Let's see what that does. Discord? So I don't know if that's a command. I do have a Discord though somewhere on here. Hey Usman sir. Are you making a vehicle game? A vehicular game? Unity doesn't have orange. Yeah. It's one of their most requested features. If wheels on the bus go round and round. Okay, there it is. Red. We're in the red. So we're not good. Okay. Probably want to change that. If it's greater than 0.2, then blue. Oh, that rhymes. This is definitely going to work. Okay, so now we can see, right? Okay, so when the wheel grip curve, then now I just got to change the wheel grip curve to be low. Super low. That is super low. Okay, let's do 2. There we go. I'm not exactly sure. I feel like the code's just wrong. Hey. I posted the wheel spin shader in share your stuff. Oh, thank you very much. I'm gonna try that out. I'll try that out. Speed property to set speed. Rotation axis to determine the rotational axis. Oh wow, okay, that looks pretty good. Thank you. I'm gonna check that out. I want to get this drift working here first. Okay, blue. Oh, wait a second. Okay, so it seems to be... It's red. It's red when we're going slow. Wait, now it's red. Why is it red? It's red when we're going straight? It's red when we're going straight. I think it got it wrong. I think it got it wrong. It's just slightly wrong. So the steering velocity... now what is steering velocity? It's with the wheel's velocity in the steering direction? I think add force at position. Steering, what did... Okay. The velocity change equals negative steering velocity. What if I just put steering velocity? I think that's just wrong. I think it's just overall just wrong. I think everything here is just wrong. Poop, thank you, Yoshi. My thoughts exactly. Okay, I'm sliding. Okay, something's wrong. Something's very wrong here. I mean, I'm drifting. Kinda. But I can turn left. Real nice I can turn left. I turn right, I'm drifting. I think I'm gonna have to fake the logic here. Fake the code. I can turn left, no problem. Turning right puts me into a drift. Yeah, this code is busted. So Bling Money was right. Why would you say that, Bling Money? Can't let Bling ever be right. It's a nice little drift there. It's wrong though. It's very wrong. Okay, don't ever let the AI do this. I'm deleting this whole thing. Actually, I want to keep some. I'm gonna hide this. Just gonna comment this out for now because I want this code in here. Actually, I could have just commented that. Whatever. Okay, now I have to cheat here because I think I had this working somewhere else in a different project in the past. So I'm gonna open up an old project. I was gonna try and recreate it, but I was just smarter. in the past. I was smarter in the past and I'm dumber now, so I need to go to the past. That sounds like a great movie. That's a great premise to a movie. I was smarter in the past and I'm dumb now, so I need to build a time machine so I can go to the past and be smart again. Where is this? Where is this? Where is this? Where is this? It's in here somewhere. There it is. Okay. Can we hit and run yet? We're very close to that. Very, very close. Okay. Grip curve. What? Oh, here it is. Hey, wait a second. What was that? Oh, I see. Oh, okay. So the grip the grip curve is going to be what code did I use? Let me check the code. I'm checking the code. I'm checking my old code real quick off screen. Hold on a second. It's in here somewhere. It's in here somewhere. I can feel it. There, okay. Wow, I did some code here. Desired velocity change? I removed desired velocity change. That's what I did. And then I added in... I did a bunch of stuff. What did I do that for? This is what I did. I did calculate grip. Where's the wheel grip curve? Grip by speed curve. Oh, wait a second. So I changed the grip by speed. So the faster you are, the less grip. Is that accurate? Is that how cars work? Does anybody any people who know how to drive a car in here? Anybody have a license in the chat? The faster you go, the less grip you have on the road. Is that true? Thank you, Bling Money. Everyone says in unison. You had a license. Oh, they took it. Okay. That's accurate to an extent. Okay. Seems right though. Okay. No cars here. Don't bother looking. Okay. I'm gonna change this then to grip over speed. Is that grip by speed? Grip to speed curve. Grip to speed curve. That doesn't sound right. Grip. What's a good name for this? Grip to speed curve? Grip by speed. Grip by speed, right? Curve. That seems better. I'll do that for now. Okay. Grip by speed curve. Evaluate the vehicle speed, which is not being calculated right here. Top forward. Let's see. Top speed. But I have that. Grip factor, but it also has a grip factor at the same time. It also has just a regular, oh wait, wheel grip factor. I have that. Sorry, I'm just trying to recreate the old code I had. I was smarter in the past and I figured this out somehow. I don't remember. Slide angle equals wheel transform dot forward wheel dot rail origin dot forward. There we go. And then wait, grip by speed curve and then grip curve. It has another one. It has another. What? So it has a grip by speed curve. And then it has grip by grip curve. Grip the curve quickly. Grip by grip curve. Now I'm doing a grip by grip curve. So it's grip by grip. So now we're gonna lower the grip if the grip is lower. Who up gripping they curve right now? Let's. I don't want to ban anyone. And I won't. Vehicle speed. How do I get the vehicle speed? I got it somewhere else. Here it is. That's the backward speed. Forward speed. Let's just get the speed. Forward speed of the vehicle. Okay, which is vehicle speed. So we're not going to be drifting in reverse at the moment. That's... Okay, we don't need to do this. Because... Okay. A lot of comments here. I just want to see if this works at all. Okay. So, grip by speed multiplier equals grip by speed curve, vehicle speed, top speed, slide angle is the angle of our wheel world velocity. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, so that's the wheel world velocity. That's the direction our wheel is going. And then the angle is the way we want to be going. So if the angle is... Okay, so we're doing 90 degrees. If it's going crazy, then grip by grip curve right is the slide angle times the grip by speed multiplier times the wheel grip factor. What does this mean? Does anyone know what this means? That kind of makes sense to me. So about the shader I made for your wheels, I was wondering if you'd be up for reviewing it now in case you want changes while I'm still here. Sure. Let me test this real quick, and then I'll put it in. I'll plop it in. Okay. I'm not turning at all. Grip by speed curve. So we start at 1. Absolutely. So if we're at... Okay, so if our top speed is going to be... is 1. Okay, so when we're at our top speed, our grip multiplier is going to be half. We're going to cut our... Yes, absolutely. We're going to cut our overall grip in half when we reach our max speed. Of course. Now grip by... Now if our grip is at 1. If our grip is at 1. If we have full grip. If we have full grip, we're going 1. We're going full grip. We got full grip, we're going full grip. But if we got no grip, let's just say we have, okay, let's say we have, let's see our grip is at 0.4 or something. If we got less than half grip, then we're just gonna go all the way and drop our grip down. What am I doing? Where is everything? Let me restart. What just happened? There we go. I'm losing it. Okay, there we go. So if okay, 1. I don't know the controls for Unity. There we go. Right, that's good. Okay, and that's fine. Okay, that's how that's supposed to be. And then we have the grip factor, which is just our normal, just do 1. You should never go full grip. You're going to hurt somebody. Okay. Okay. Kinda? Yes. In a way. In a way, this works. That actually seems like it kind of does work. Not perfectly, but I turn, and if I'm gentle, it doesn't lose grip. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out what that's doing. Okay, let me check out that shader now. by Usman Mir. Usman Mir. Now, is this a virus? How bad of a virus is this? Shaders. Does this work on what I'm using? I'm using the universal thing. That's an error. How do I open this? C# instructions too. Okay. There it is. Okay, so this seems functional, right? Make a material that uses that shader. Okay, and then put them on the wheels. I'm just gonna create it here for now, just to speed run this. Spinning wheel. Okay, good. It's got the color map. Okay, what is that? Okay, spinning wheel. Let's put. Can I put the color? There, color map right there. Perfect. Spinning wheel. Oh, whoops. Let me put the shader on. Where is this in? Custom? Test shader? Test shader? Which one is it? Test shader or test shader? Where is this at? Mobile. Mobile. Like a car? Mobile? Like a mobile? Shader graphs. There it is. Okay, got that. The rotation axis. I don't know. I can edit this while I play, I assume. Okay, there we go. Put this on this. Put this on this. Put this on that. Put this on that. Okay, they look a little funny. They look a little weird, but I can actually make them turn like this. That looks right already. Oh, they're going backwards. Oh, I flipped them. I had to flip these. I had to flip these wheels, so these are going flipped. So let me, I can create another one, I guess, right? Flipped. But then I'd have to figure out which ones are flipped. Uh-oh, this one might not work for me. I can alter them now, that's why I wanted to see you test. Yeah, okay. Yeah, these are, yeah, these need to be like, I don't know, can you extend the standard shader that I'm using here and add this to it? I got some funky wheels, yeah. And then maybe have an option to flip it, to invert it. So when I set the speed to 5, it just goes into the opposite direction. That way I don't need to do it in the code, maybe. I'll remove the normal map since you're not using them. Oh yeah, I'm not using them right now. I don't know if I ever will. But it's so early on in development. Who knows? Let me just play, let me just drive around like this. There we go. Now we're driving. Okay, so this is working. Look at that drift. This is kind of working, the drifting. It doesn't work as I want it to, but it's, you know, it looks like it drifts. You know, at least around this corner. This does just kind of work. Oh, I want it to stay into a drift a little longer. It does. I was smart whenever I made this. I just don't remember when. I'm usually a lot more clever off stream, because then I just sit in silence for an hour and lock in. But right now I've got music. I look at the chat. You know, I'm using AI. Hey, that looks pretty good though. And I can say I did do that, because I did. I just did it like 2 years ago. What did you make it for originally? Smoggle. I wanted Smoggle to be, you know, Smoggle. So it needed cars. And I like me some good drifting on a car. Don't let us distract you. That's Bling Money's job. He's gone. He seems to be gone right now. I think he left. I think he fell. I think he passed out. I think he's unconscious right now. This game will be called Smeggle. Wee. This is fun though. It's even more fun with the drifting here. It looks good. I mean, the looks good. Can you deny? Can you deny? You cannot deny that it looks so good. I just don't know. I just don't know exactly how cars work. But then I wanted to ship it. Okay. Shipping it. I mean, I don't know, like, what's... Oh, this is even better. I got the turning radius a bit higher. Oh! That's exactly what it would do in The Simpsons Hit and Run. Get up there! There we go. Woo! Dang! That's awesome. That's actually really nice. If you're really gentle, you can drift. I want it to be a little easier to drift. Well, maybe not. Maybe I want a higher skill ceiling. Maybe. Who knows? But I want the drift to last a little longer. I'll make it a little easier. Just a touch easier. Just to maintain a drift. And right now, you just turn to enter a drift. You just turn too hard. But I feel like maybe you want to go into a... Maybe you want to tap the handbrake. Wee. Oh! Yeah, maybe tapping a handbrake will just lower... We'll try to slow you down, but it'll immediately increase... it'll immediately drop your grip down, like, by half. I think that could work. Alright, Usman's mirror. I'll try the new one. Shader graphs. Spinning one. Go. Hit it. I'm in. There we go. Ooh, there we go. Looking better. It's looking better. Speed direction. Oh, good. It's got the speed direction. Now I can put inverted over here. Put the inverted ones on. And then change these normal ones to... There we go. Alright, now we're moving in the same direction. That's clean. Usman mirror. It's clean. That's nice. All right, let me plop these into the code here. In the code. I think there might be a the material. Oh, how do I get the material? Wait, does this work for individual materials? The tire model. I'd have to get it at runtime, right? I feel like I'd have to get it. Let me hide this. Hide in inspector. Public. Or, how do you do that? Public material. Tire material. Get set. Used for debugging. No, it isn't. Don't make me write that. Capital. Make that a capital. Alright, tire material there. Email me the demo. I will. Soon. Chonkus is still working on bin packing to this day. He is. I already did. I got bin packing done. Before Chonkus. That's on Chonkus. Usman works fast. Usman is crazy. Am I pronouncing that right? Usman? Usman Mir? for each wheel, for each vehicle wheel in wheels, wheel dot tire material equals wheel dot tire model dot get component dot mesh render dot material. Is that gonna work? Is that gonna work? Does this work on individual like wheels? Oh, version 3 lighting fix. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna put that in. Let me get this code here working. It's pronounced Usman, like goose, without the G, and Mon, like Pokemon. Usman. Usman. Perfect. Excellent. Usman. 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 I'll probably forget. Just remind me later. I'm not too good with names. I call every purple name in chat Bling Money. Okay, steering force, suspension, acceleration. That's what I'm talking about. Wheel dot tire material dot set float speed, vehicle speed, right? Vehicle speed. That auto completed for me. I don't know how it knew, but awesome. I think that's it. Put it down here too for reverse. If you do shared material, it should refer to all wheels. Well, I'm gonna have a lot of vehicles in this game, so I think I gotta do it individually. So is that not right? Am I doing this right for individual? Is individual good? Let me hit play on this. You might need to call it 4 times though. 4 times. Oh yeah, it does it for each wheel, I think. Oh, something broke. Missing component. There's no mesh renderer attached to flipped. Oh no! I need to get the. I think I need to get component in children. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna get called a few times, unfortunately, because it's got to do it for all the individual wheels. I don't know if that's more efficient or less efficient than just rotating the actual model. Okay. That's... Is that working? Am I going in reverse? Shaders are significantly more performant than doing things in C# usually. Oh, okay. I can't tell if that's... Can't tell if that's... See, the wheels in the back are... This is a rear wheel drive vehicle. So they're going back, they're going significantly faster. I think that's my code. Let me put the new shader graph in there. Spinning 1. Shader graph, spinning 2, please. And I'll set these to be... Yeah, I'll just keep them like that. Okay. All right, how does this work? Okay. 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 Oh, okay. It's slowly... I think it's going in the wrong direction. Now the shading should be fixed. Yeah, it looks right. Wow, those back wheels are powerful. I think I need to like wait, okay, so the back wheels are going crazy. The front wheels are not. And I think they're going slow, and then when you go in reverse, I think the back wheels work, but the front wheels are going forward still. What's going on here? Vehicle speed, transform forward, linear velocity. So if it's going reverse, it should be going negative, right? Assign them all the same speed as the back wheels. I'm not sure. I'd have to redo a lot of code here for that because it right now it just goes through every wheel and does every calculation for each wheel individually. Because all the wheels could be different. If I put a different tire on every wheel, it would still work. What's vehicle speed? They should all be the same, I think. There's no vehicle speed common amongst them. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I think so. You know, I think it should be common. I think it should all be the same. But for some reason it's not. Oh, okay. See, this is speed direction is 1. And then the speed direction is -1 because these other tires they're flipped. So they need to be going they're going forward. Just go slow. There you go. These are going forward, and then these are also going forward. Forward. Everything's going forward. When the speed is 1, they all go in the same direction. But unfortunately, oh, GPU instancing. I think I need to do that, don't I? Or am I wrong? Yeah, so now these front wheels are... This isn't the YouTube Game Dev Award show. Yeah, it's not. I lied. That's not coming out. GPU instinct is good to always enable to improve performance, although something can have no effect. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know why. I actually have no idea why the back wheels are going so much faster. I mean, they're all taking the speed from... They're all taking the speed from the actual body of the car, not the wheel. They're all taking it from the body of the car, so it's all the same. So it's weird. It's very weird. It's very odd. What's going on, Bucket? What is even going on? Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here either. I'm not sure what's going on in here. The tire material set flow speed, vehicle speed. You could cheat in the shader and just decrease the speed direction factor for the back wheels if you don't want to think about it too much. I don't know. I don't know. Wait, what's the direction of the acceleration? Just got off work and I'm waiting for Chinese food. That's good. That's very good. You work at the Chinese restaurant. Yes. the speed direction factor for the back wheels if you don't want to think about it too much. Do I want to do that? You should turn off the music and play 21 of those 1 hour of silence broken by sound in the background. Also 4 ASMR videos and 365. No, that sounds stupid. I would never do that. That's dumb. I'm having a succulent Chinese meal. Oh, what'd you get? Sukvink. 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 Anyways, I gotta go to sleep, so I hope you're happy with the shader and have a lovely day. Oh, thank you, Usman Mir. Yeah, so far it's pretty good. I'll have to figure out what's wrong with my code, but thank you very much for the shader. Thanks for stopping by. Dumplings and sesame chicken. Sesame chicken. All right, I can't get. I'm gonna work on the spinning wheels later. I'll just keep them as they are for now. I want to get my sesame chicken. Clip it. I never said that. Yo, I got my Twitch account. A multi. I mean Molt 32 Molt 13245. Hey, you got your Twitch account back. Fantastic. Welcome back. I'm here working on a Simpsons hit and run inspired / clone thing. It's working out pretty good so far. Whenever I work on something, people always come into the chat and give me code. That's awesome. But yeah, I got a little drift working somehow. Is there a debug that I can like oh wait, never mind. Copilot is gonna replace it. This Copilot did not do the job. It could not do it. Let's just put it that way. I stole this one guy's Twitch account today and I just lost access. Give it a couple years. Copilot, I mean, it's good for small stuff, but I gave it a really obscure, horrible prompt, and it tried to do its best to make it work, but it just doesn't know. It doesn't get me. It just doesn't get me. No one's ever given me code. I always have to steal it myself. Yeah, it's rough. I know. People I've never seen before just randomly show up. Here's some code. It's a blessing. You gotta ask nicely. I don't even ask. I don't even ask for code. Usman showed up to stream and said, I have a shader that makes the wheels turn. Here, take it. I don't want it. And I said, okay, thank you. That's awesome. Car figs are looking good. They are looking real good. This is all, anyone can do this, pretty much. You need to know how to code just a tiny bit, but there's a tutorial online that explains like the principles of it. And you just gotta, and they even give some code examples, but yeah, you just gotta put them together and you get this really nice physics-based thing, you know? You got, it's four rake casts. I changed them into sphere casts to give them a little more, you know, make them a little more like wheels. And they're just pushing you. They're just pushing the car around. It's awesome. Now, getting the drifting to work, not anybody can do that, not even Copilot. But my past self could do it, so I stole the code from my past self and I put it in here. Looking good. Now I'm drifting around. You could do this in Godot in 15. No, not this good. Not this good. No, sir. Although I did start working on this last night, and I'm already at this point. It's kind of drag and drop. Look at this ramp. You can't build this ramp as fast as I built it in Godot. Where's my sound effect for that? Where's my sound effect for Godot?
Hey guys, my name is Thomas Brush, owner of Atmos Games. By the end of this video, you're going to have a full understanding of how exactly video games are made. I'll even throw in a secret at the end of this video that took me, well, 10 years to figure out, and has made my career as a game developer so much easier. Now obviously there's a ton of different engines to create games with. You've got Unity, Unreal, Godot, The List.
I've never tried that engine, The List. Is The List, has anyone here tried The List? Any good? Are you ever going to make a game with Sonic movement? I don't think so. I don't like Sonic movement. No offense. No offense, but I think anyone who likes Sonic movement should be put down. On a list. On a list of people to thank for their opinion. Just to be clear. You're putting me down tomorrow. Yes, on the list of people to thank for their opinion. Wink. Wink. If I had a webcam set up right now, I'd be winking right at you, right into you. Sonic movement is weird. You know, I've never liked any Sonic movement. I've played a bunch of Sonic games. I'm just driving around in the car because it feels good. I think I want to put a handbrake on this car, though. They're putting me down tomorrow. Yeah, that is sad. That's actually sad. I've never liked any, excuse me, Sonic movement. I'm going to drop that down to 1.8. Grip by speed, grip by grip. So when the grip, when you, how does this code work? Let me check the code. Wheel suspension, wheel steering. Here it is. Okay, so grip by grip. So the grip equals the evaluation grip by grip. If the slide angle is, oh, I see. So the slide angle, so if we're actually sliding, I see. Slide angle equals rate forward. Okay, if we're actually sliding, then, oh, I see. That technically thinks, okay, it's not grip by grip. I'm going to rename this. This is grip by, grip by angle. Grip by angle curve. So if the angle is grip by grip, grip by, yeah, we've been, this is a grip stream. We've been talking, a lot of grip talk. Wow, Bling might have to ban you for that one. Yeah, I am, Bling. Yes, I am. It's just better. The movement's better, Bling. And I feel sorry for you. I really do. Okay, when we have perfect angle, when we have a perfect angle, we're not going to, you know, when we have a perfect angle, which is 0, I think, then we're going to have full grip. But when our angle starts to screw up around, let's see if it gets 0.5, then we're going to have to drop our grip down to 0.2. And that's a fact. That's just a fact. What's a perfect angle? 0. 0 is the perfect angle. 0 as in like straight ahead, forward. But if we're moving to the right, if we're sliding to the right and we want to be going forward, that's going to be a 90 degree and that's the worst you can be. Then that's just we have to drop. We have to drop the grip because that's just not right. We have to just drop it dead in its tracks. Okay, here we go. A perfect angle? As opposed to the right angle, you mean? I see how it is. Okay, so look how much I have to whip the car. This is just standard. Okay? So I can turn the car no problem. I can ease into turns no problem. But if I do a is that too much? Is that too sensitive? Any car racing enthusiasts? Sonic's kind of a car game. You can do that, and it's got pretty good. It's got pretty good handling. Sonic has driven a car before. Let's get Sonic in chat. I screwed this up. Something about this is not right. I think I need a time. Oh, no, I think this is fine. That's fine. Okay, now I need a brake. I need brake input. Let's put the brake input. Private bool handbrake input. There we go. Now, handbrake input equals input dot get key space. Yes. Done. Handbrake input. Now, if I think I'm in here somewhere. Where am I? Okay. Brake grip override? What does that mean? If is braking? Okay, if oh shoot. Yeah, I gotta oh, I see, yeah. I don't know how to brake. Oh, that's a problem. Is it a problem? Is braking? Hold on a second. I need to do can steer, public bool, can brake, and then I need then I need public bool is braking. That's false. I need that to be false. Shadow rides a hog. I've never played any of those games with Shadow in it. Too scared. Those games are not for... It's not for kids. So if the wheel is braking, then the grip equals the brake grip override. I see. Okay, brake grip override. That doesn't make any sense. That's not good. So the grip equals... You're probably playing Mario, baby Mario game. No, I couldn't play any of the Mario games. I was playing The Simpsons Hit and Run. Media featuring Shadow the Hedgehog is not for the faint of heart. It is frightening, I'll tell you that much. You have to be careful. You have to be careful what games you're buying for your kids. Look at the box. When you go into GameStop and you're picking out a game for your kid, look at the box. Look in the corner. Is Shadow the Hedgehog there? If so, put it back on the shelf. You should not. You should not. You understand? Shadow says too many swears. Get him out of here. Be careful buying games for my kids. If it's not Shadow the Hedgehog, put it down. I feel sorry for your kids. Dangerous. Your kids are dangerous. Dangerously. I mean, your kids are in danger. Your kids are in danger. Your children are in danger. Let's just say your children are in danger. And that's all I have to say. Your children are in danger, and watch out. That's all I have to say. Okay. I got a new way of debugging, and it's really awesome. Grip, We're gonna cut the grip down in half if we're braking. If is braking. Okay, now let's see. Where's the brake? Acceleration. If handbrake input. If handbrake input and wheel dot can brake. If not, do something else. Okay, so if we're braking, then wheel dot stop it is braking equals true. But is braking equals false. Yes. I'm actually screwing this way up. Put this over here, put that there. Okay. If we're braking, return. There, okay. If braking, then we brake, then we brake. Wait, acceleration? Yeah, that's good. Okay. Acceleration, yeah, direction of the acceleration, of course. Okay, so if we're braking, I'm gonna take this code. Gonna take this code, paste it over here. I think I'm pasting too much code, to be completely honest with you. I think there's a lot of duplicated code in here. I'll fix it later. Your kids are in danger of having a fun time. That's sick. You're sick. Is braking. Is braking. Speed of the vehicle equals that, whatever that is. But actually, abs. Give our vehicle abs. Give the vehicle abs. I don't know what this is right now. Hey, you're here. What did you miss? Oh, I'll show you in a second what you missed. Get the webcam on. Wait, don't say yet. I'm getting an epic ad. Okay. Everybody wait. Shadow says, damn and hell. Sheesh. Sheesh. When will it end? When will it end? I don't know how to brake. Let me steal my code again. I don't know how to brake. How do I make a brake? Forward speed of the vehicle. Vehicle speed is greater than the slowdown of this. Oh, I see. Okay, let me copy some code. This code's gonna work. Oh, that's nice. Wait, then what happens? Uh-oh. What am I doing? Well, that reminds me I should gamble today. You know what? I'm gonna FanDuel Casino get more. I hate missing ads. Brake force. Oh, shoot, there's a brake force. Oh, there's also a brake force. Is braking public float brake force. This is too much. This is really too much. Brake force. Brake force, sorry, wheel dot brake force. Rigid body dot add force of position. No? Yes, this right here. Boom. Ba-boom. Okay, accelerate, excel direction, slow down. Yeah. Is that right? I don't know if any of this is right. What is this? No torque, no normalized speed. Vehicle speed, the speed of the vehicle. Now, what is the speed of the vehicle? Okay, speed of the vehicle. Oh, yes, the forward speed of the vehicle. And then if the vehicle speed is greater than 0, then we're going forward. Then the slowdown equals negative slowdown. Oh yes, okay, and then we return. Okay, great. And then we're braking, and we're braking, and we're braking. So yes, done, done. All right, so now we can drift. All right, Mick. This is what you missed. I'm working on a little hit and run inspired game. It's not a clone. It's just an inspired game. Actually, I forgot to change the values of the. Now, which for the handbrake, what when you pull on? Okay, anybody raise your hand. Raise your hand if you've driven a car. When you pull the handbrake, what does that brake? What does that do? What does that do exactly? Does it what does that do? The handbrake brakes the car. So you can brake the car with your hand. That's why they call it the handbrake. Okay, let me just say let's just say all the wheels brake when you pull the handbrake. And yes. Okay. So let's see. This should just work perfectly, I think. And here we go. And brake. Ooh. I mean, it works. It's braking. It's braking. The car is broken. Awesome. Doesn't work that good, but... Okay, try only front wheels. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Only the front wheels. Front. Can brake. This works. That does make sense. Only the front wheels, right? I don't know if that makes sense. That actually... It's not working good. That's actually working worse. I think it does. I think braking on all the wheels. Maybe I can I ask Copilot? When you brake, when you pull the handbrake on a car, does it brake all the wheels? Let's see what Copilot has to say. Hey, don't give me code. Typically, when you pull the handbrake on a car, it primarily affects the rear wheels. However, in some vehicles, especially those with advanced braking systems, the handbrake might affect all wheels. For the purpose of this implementation, we will assume it affects all wheels. So let's update the wheel steering force to use the wheel grip curve to adjust. Okay, how do I end this one? How do I shut this? I need a new chat. That one's busted. But yeah, it did answer my question. Usually only brakes the back wheels, and if you're going fast, they lose traction. Oh, okay. Let me pop these let me do the back wheels then. Okay, now the back wheels are going to brake. Grip curve. Just got off the phone with my wife's boyfriend. We're having another copy of Shadow the Hedgehog delivered. That's wonderful. Just don't put it around the children. Okay, well that's working. When I'm driving. Oh, let's check out the oh, I see. Okay, so when the how this debug works is if you have the length of the green line is based on the curve. I mean the grip. Your car's grip. Okay, so pressing space lowers the grip significantly. So if I just tap it, I can kind of go into a drift. Now the problem is it slows me down so much. It slows you down so much that you don't even want to tap on the brakes. Is it too powerful? Let me cut it in half. Okay, get out of the car and fix it. Can't do that. I can't do that, sir. But as you can see, the faster you go, the lower the curve. The grip curve slowly drops. Okay, so you can tap on the... That stinks, though, because... Okay, how about... Okay, well, let me see. Let me see. Oh, this is the back. This is the back. Where am I? This is the front. So what if I did front wheel drive? Four-wheel drive. What's the best for a drifting vehicle? 4 or 8-wheel drive? Oh, wait. That kind of works. Oh, a little bit. I want... kinda. 16-wheel drive? So this works, but it's just like, you know... Dang, we're really moving. But I can enter a drift without even tapping on the handbrake. That's a problem for me. I mean, that's fine, but I feel like I want... I don't know. How do I get this to feel right? Does anybody know? I mean, it's good. It's just not... I'm looking for... I don't know. I'm trying to copy Hit and Run a little bit, which the cars feel like they have weight, and maybe I need to crack open the game real quick and just figure out how it works. Because this happens like, it feels so fast, you know? Let you play, move over. I could try. I could try. Something's not right about it, I feel. I mean, it's like it's too easy, I guess. You turn too easy, and then you enter a drift without having to tap space. It's interesting. It's interesting. Grip by angle. Maybe if I increase the grip by angle to be a little more, you know, like this. The car you're driving needs to make police siren wee-woo noises. That does make sense. It would help with your immersion. Okay. I have the radio going. Okay. Well, here I have this. I see. So now, okay, that's better. That's a little bit better. But if I hit the brake, now it's too difficult for it to... Okay. I feel like it needs to enter a mode or something. It needs to enter like a drift mode. You know what I'm saying? Like it's got a driving mode and a drifting mode, and then as soon as you trigger drifting mode, it has completely different rules. I feel like that makes sense. I mean, this is nice. It works pretty good. But I feel like it does need, How about, what if I... Not four-wheel drive, just front-wheel drive. I feel like front-wheel drive is all... That's not right. I need to watch Fast and Furious. How does it work? What if instead of Hit and Run, it was a race game? Hit and Run is a racing game. What are you talking about? What kind of race are you talking about? Just draw the drift curve like this. Okay. Yeah, I have a feeling. I just don't have any way to... I just don't know how to visualize the drift curves. I wish I had like an on-screen... Maybe... Is there an asset for that? What is on the screen here? What is this? guess I was streaming for a lot longer than I thought I was. Okay, asset store. Put me in. We've got to have like a curve visualizer for debugging. Send it. I don't think so. You should watch the YouTube Game Dev Awards show in the background. That's good study/program background noise. I have no response to that. I have no response to that. I think I need to go into a drift mode. I don't like that. Doesn't seem right. I feel like I shouldn't need to do that. Put on Thomas Brush Game Dev affirmations, ASMR, 2 hours looping with rain sounds. You could reverse it and play the audio in reverse. What does that mean? Oh, the award show. The award show's coming out soon. I have some more promos for it. Every other day I'm gonna have an hour-long promo. Because the award show is like 5 hours long, so it's kind of a long form entertainment sort of deal. So I'm doing a lot of long form stuff. I think you just want to add force into current vel direction while drifting. Is that what I do? Where am I? Because I do that. Make a TikTok, buy a billboard, make a TikTok, so you don't slow down so much. I do though. I mean, it's always adding. It's always adding. I think. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Where am I adding acceleration? So acceleration. This is moving. Normalize speed. It is always moving, so I don't know. How much does ad space cost on the Bling Money show? I think he pays you. Yeah, but handbrake also reduces current velocity. That's true. You're right. That's true. But you only tap it, right? I guess so. You know what? But then you should get that speed back as soon as you let go of the handbrake, right? Right? Okay, grip is 0.2. Let's just drop it down. Let's just drop it down. I mean, yeah, let's just drop it down. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just putting in numbers now. Okay, here we go. This is gonna work. That's not a drift. That's not a drift. That is not a drift. I'm just gonna make it so the brake does not, it's not that good of a brake. The brake sucks. I'll just make it so the brake sucks. How about that? GitHub Copilot, my grip is too tight. Can you help me loosen up? This should work though. What the? Why is it better than ever? What? Why is it better than ever before? What happened? I think it's because the brake. Okay, let's make the brakes really bad. Here we go. Can brake. These can all brake. But they can also all accelerate. It looks worse than ever. It does. GitHub Copilot, is it grippy? It couldn't know. It couldn't possibly know. This ain't working. just ain't working. Ban mirrored temptation. Tomorrow. After the. Hey guys, you're cheating. Can your car do a loop-de-loop? Probably. I think right now there's a bug where you could actually like drive on walls. Because the way the wheels work, they're kind of sticky. They kind of stick to the surface that you're on. So if I gently put this onto a wall, it could drive up. In fact, let me I think it can do something like this. If I were to make this higher. In fact, let me just do this. Let me just make it do a loop-de-loop. Gotta take advantage of the super grip to get some sick trailer footage of driving on walls. I think it's a little early for the trailer right now, but you're right. Whoa, okay. The wheel logic needs a little, needs a little work. Wow. It works. It's a little... I think I need to raise the raycast for the wheels. But yeah, you could do this all day long. It's basically just a Sonic game at this point. That's my problem. That's my problem. Okay, if I take the vehicle and I take the wheel grip factor, drop it down to 0.8 just overall, are you probably on the right track with the drift state approach? But that will take some effort implement. Yeah. My clearance for the Sonic. No. I don't. I could probably just make the brake, like, maybe I can make the handbrake, if you tap it, it doesn't slow you down at all. Maybe it takes like just half a second to actually kick into gear. Can't take his mind off Sonic. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Now, what would be better? The car's drift mode is like fully in drift mode? Or... Oh, yeah, I guess I should. I should have a drift mode. Let me work on a drift mode. Let me just stop messing around, lock in, and work on a drift mode. Excuse me, GitHub Copilot chat thing. Okay. Is braking, can brake, yes, that's good. Mass suspension, yes, great, perfect, done, done, and done. Now, grip by speed, grip by angle. I have something for you to download. That's... Okay, send it. Can we have a mod? Can we have a mod scan it for viruses? Is it free code? Give me a sec. Okay. Yeah, the car's really good. It's just these little things. I'm just gonna have to do I'll put it into Google Drive. Okay. Is it Spider-Man 3 the entire? Because I do have that on Blu-ray. I don't need to download to that. It's the Tom Holland Spider-Man 3 too. That's the sick joke. It's free. Weekend 38. What is that? What's Weekend 38? So we have the engine power curve and the grip by speed curve. Okay, here's what I can do. Float. Drift mode threshold, right? Is that the right word for it? Threshold? So if it drops below, I feel like threshold is like if it goes above this. What's below? What's the reverse threshold? What's the opposite of threshold? What's the opposite word for threshold? Limit? I don't English good. The opposite word for threshold in the context of a limit or boundary could be limit or ceiling. Wait, is threshold the low? What the? It knows what I'm doing. Where drift mode threshold is used, the opposite could be drift mode ceiling or drift mode limit. Threshold is the low. Eternity. No, I don't think that's not, well, that's a little off. It's I think threshold is correct. Threshold, it's not limit. It's a limit goes both ways. But I think threshold is the one where it's, it goes below. I think threshold is the one where it goes below. Check the game design channel in Discord, okay? Free weekend. Free weekend. You have a free weekend. All right, download, no problem. Instant download, ignore virus scan. Free weekend. I think it's free weekend. What the frick? What the freaking poop is free weekend? Grip by angle curve. I don't think that's right. Hold on. I broke. Let me undo everything that I did so I can. So I can figure out what this is. Free weekend 38. Sound, texture, font, data. Okay. Let me pause this. Where am I? Free weekend. There it is. All right. This looks illegal. Am I allowed to do this? What is this? You don't stream? I've been streaming for hours. Your Windows is going to end up deactivated. Subrosa Alpha 38. Personally, I prefer Free Weekend 39, but maybe that's just me. Oh, wow. Oh, whoa. 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 It's so jiggly. What is this? F1 to toggle help R to reload magazine. Do it. Oh, good sound effects. Email me a copy. It's in game design on the Discord. Put 2 to 5, put your 2 in the left hand, R to load magazine. That's tricky. How do I get in this car? Okay, here we go. Let's drive. How do I put my hand on the steering wheel? There it is. Okay, okay. It's time for the Sub-Rosa pivot. I like this. This is what my game should be. Probably no guns, I don't know. Use the mouse to shift gears. Oh, oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Never shift gears. This is what I'm gonna... Okay. I'm holding control. How do I get out? Okay. Get up. Okay. That's messed up. This reminds me of Mogul. It is a lot like Mogul. What's going on here? Oh! Can I go in there? Okay. Mogul has cars and guns. This is me every Monday morning. Never shift gears. R to take out mag. Oh, wow. I can just put the mag in and out. Put a grenade. Eat it. All right. I don't know what I'm doing. There we go. There we go. Switch hands to use the grenade. Oh, arm it. Hold Q. Oh. Wait, do I actually have to throw it? That didn't work. This is messed up. This game's hard. Okay, let me... Can I hijack a car? You want to play this with the liquor store? Okay, don't run me over. You wish Straff Tat controlled like this? This is horrible. I mean, it's not horrible. It's, How do I, Is anyone playing on on Alpha 38F? You have to jump over the car, then spam E. You can jump? Oh. Hold control. Okay. What is all this? Oh. Oh, okay, I see. I see. This is difficult. Okay, there's a guy here I can kill. Great. Dying feature equals mogul R-like. I move so slow. I think I played Sub Rosa like a long time ago, but this is not that game. This is not the Sub Rosa game. The mannequin representation of the player character is cool. Yeah. It does give you a better picture. Better idea of what you're doing. Now, am I supposed to be flinging it, or do I just release? I feel like I should be flinging it. I think flinging is right. Okay, oh, let me get the car again. Okay, this is gonna take a while. I'm gonna get in the car, and then I'm just gonna... I'm gonna quit forever. Is this new? Is this a new game? Is this like a remake? Okay, this car is tricky. Okay, A. What is A? Automatic? Okay. Let's kick it into one. Let's kick it into first gear. As I like to say. And then the 3, and then 4, and then reverse, and then auto. That's my style. Now, can you break a car in this game by doing this? Can I go to 1 to reverse, 4 to reverse, to auto? Yeah, crash into another car. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he that? Where is that other car at? Crashing used to make you fly out the front windshield. Used to. They changed the feature. Not you. I want someone on the move. Give me someone in motion. Perfect. No, they're not. Well, I don't think any car moves. That's it. Oh yeah, they need to update that. They need to update the game and okay, there's some movement. No, whenever I get to them, they come to a complete stop. The game's been left in a worse state than it used to be. The creator was redoing physics systems and then stopped working on the game. Oh. Oh. Okay, the car is broken. A tale as old as time, Rip Mogul. Mogule's in a better state than it used to be. Oh. Here we go. I like how it gets my rotation in the my full body rotation. That little representation. You could grab onto a car and get dragged behind it. You could? Back in the day or right now? How do I Q snipe here? I don't know if it's... Can you run a server? I'm starting a server called Sub Rosa World. Can anyone join? In the good old days. Oh. Boo. I'm stuck. Is this taking me somewhere? Oh, it is. I was gonna say, where'd the ground go? Going somewhere. Should we switch the category? No, I'm probably gonna end it. I don't think this works with anything. I'm probably gonna shut it down. Get my drifting. I'm gonna try and work on my drifting. I want the car mechanics to work beautifully. And then just start throwing in cars. Get the AI to control it. Getting the AI to control the vehicle while it's drifting might be difficult. Does this server work or no? The servers are offline. My server's offline. No? Okay. Well. Oh! Alright. Thanks for the virus. That was awesome. Big virus. Big virus.
Hey
All
guys,
right.
my name is Thomas Brush, owner of Atmos Games.
What was
By
I
the end of
doing
this video,
here?
you're gonna have
Oh
a full
yeah.
understanding of how exactly video games are made. I'll even throw in a secret at the end of this video that took me, well, 10 years to figure out.
I had a
Maybe
train of
less than years
thought.
game development.
Quiet, Thomas. I had a train of thought. I lost it. Let's see. Oh, drift mode threshold. Drift mode grip threshold. That's gonna be 0.2, 0 point something. Oh wait, shouldn't that be? I guess yeah. I'm gonna make it so drift mode is for every vehicle. I mean every wheel. Drift mode threshold. Okay, so when we drop below 0.5, then I'm just gonna put it here. Float. Drift mode grip factor. Oh, it knows me. It knows me. Okay, and then private bool drift mode equals false. Now, we do this, that's fine. This is all normal. Everything's normal. I want to add a little brake delay. Private float brake time equals 0. Oh shoot. Handbrake input, that's what I need. I'll put it over here. If if we're holding space, then break time plus equals time dot delta time if break time is greater than 0.1. That's not gonna work. This isn't gonna work. All right, I'm gonna do the break time thing later. Where am I? Steering force. Here we go. Grip by grip. Okay, this is where things get good. This is where things get good. I'm gonna keep this code. Float grip equals. Gonna delete that Google Drive download of Subrows in a few minutes. Okay. If anyone wants to get it now, yes, please. Please go download it. It's in the game design channel on the server. What is this song? Let's skip this one. It's creeping me out. I just want to get my grip working. Drift mode, true. Drift mode, grip factor. If not, then grip by speed multiplier. Wheel grip factor times yes. So that should do it. And slide angle is useless right now. Get rid of that. Drift mode. And then if... Wait, then the... Huh? Maybe I do want the slide angle. So if slide angle is greater than 50, 60, then drift mode equals true. Else, if slide angle is less than 10, drift mode equals false. That's it. This was good. This was gonna work. This was gonna work. Think this is gonna work, right? Okay. Here we go. Drift mode. Go. Here we go. Okay, so this is not in drift mode. Driving the car, it's perfectly fine. Normal. Hit the handbrake. Kinda. It almost worked for a second there. It's working for a second. Now, when drifting in a car, what's a good ideal? Let's see. Drift car, front wheel drive, or what? I'm Googling that. Rear wheel. I'm gonna do rear wheel drive. Okay. And then front wheel braking? Is that right? Rear wheel drive and front wheel braking? Did I even do that? Turn off the brake. Turn off the brake. This is not working at all. That sucks. Huh. It's not working at all. That's terrible. Okay. Okay, that's gonna work? I don't know if that's gonna work. I'm too far gone. I'm too far gone. I'm too far gone for any of this to work. What the? Why doesn't any of this work? It's not changing the back wheels. It's just making it so it's just making it it's just not working good. It's not working right at all. So it's hitting runtime now. No, it's not hitting runtime. This is messed up. This just ain't working. Cause now it's not even breaking. Do I need all? Can I just change the brake force to 1 and allow everything to brake? Because I think I need the back wheels to brake, or they're not going to lose. They're not going to lose friction, and then we're not going to be able to drift at all. Okay, that kind of worked, but only if you hold. Okay, that kind of works. Something happened. Only if you hold brake. If you hold brake, that's fine. Releasing brake, no good. Oh, it's almost there. It's almost got something. That sucks. That sucks. I just don't know how to get it to work. I just don't know how to get it to work. Let me see what's going on. Let me take a look here. If I don't get this to work, I'm canceling. I'm canceling the Game Dev Award show. I'm just deleting it. Deleting every sign of it from the planet. All right. So I hope this works. I don't even know. I don't think I even changed anything. Oh, there it is. That takes forever to enter the enter drift mode. What? Am I entering? I must be entering drift mode in the wrong way. So if grip is less than less than 0.3, and slide angle is greater than 5, 10. What? What? What is this song? What are they saying? I don't speak Japanese. How do they expect me to know what they're saying? How do they expect me to sing along if I don't know what they're saying? Thank you, Logan_core, for your comment. Oh! Game fixed? Everything saved? World saved? It worked for a second there. Kind of. It slows you down so much. Okay, hold on. Okay, that did something. Handbrake sucks. Handbrake's not good. Never use the handbrake. Okay. Kinda. Oh, man. You never brake in your car? I don't drive, but I just don't see the point in why would you brake? It's almost working. It's almost working here. It's just, it slows you down so much. Why? Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second! Don't return here. Do not return. If we brake and we're still on the acceleration, just ignore that. And fight against it. I think that works. If you hit the handbrake and you still got, your, acceleration down, what's that gonna do? What the? Game's perfect. Oh, never mind. Couldn't do it a second time. Why can't I do it anymore? Dang. How do I get that speed to go? It's kind of working. It's kind of working. I just feel like I'm going slow. I'm going very slow. I'm going kind of slow here. I need to... How do I transfer that speed and make it, better? Acceleration, braking. I feel like I need to the desired velocity change equals negative steering velocity times grip. Turn change in velocity into acceleration. This will produce the acceleration necessary to change the velocity by desired velocity change in one physics step. That doesn't make sense to me, but okay. Well, it kind of works. It's kind of working. That's all I can hope for. Is braking is true, but only do anything if... Okay, brake time. Brake time. Brake time plus equals time dot fixed delta time if brake time is greater than 0.3. Then do the braking. Then actually brake. Oh, shoot. When do I stop braking? That's a problem. Some music to please your ear holes. Thank you. This is gonna help me think. This is helping me think. Thinking Nancy. This is gonna help me put it all together. Okay, I have an idea. If handbrake input and can brake and brake time is greater than 0.3. Okay. Yeah. Pitbull, Pitbull. Does he do stuff? Does he say stuff in this one? He's rapping in this? He's thinking in this one. Okay. Oh. Okay. This has got to be it. This has got to be it. This is going to work. I'm gonna increase the engine power to 13, increase the brake force. Here we go. Actually works. Thank you, Pitbull. This works. This works. I think it's working. Only problem is, why drift when you can just turn? Does anyone understand that? Is this... What is this? Put me back on this one. This one worked. This one works for me. Okay, new problem, new problem. Anybody who drives a car, does anyone understand the mechanics of drifting? I feel like I'm turning way too good. And there's no point to drift. That's a real life problem. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Let me drop it. I got this. I'm just gonna lower the grip more. That's why they don't drift in races. Oh. Okay, because I can just turn really easily here. That's a real life problem. Okay, so in video games, you need a reason that you need an added reason to drift instead of just drifting for no reason. Is that what you're saying? You need an artificial, like, you need an artificial reason to perform a drift. Okay, what if you could have more control over your car in a drift? Like you can force it. You can turn faster, I guess. You can really like, because right now it's kind of slow to turn. I don't know. When you're in a drift, everything about a drift is just worse at the moment. You go slower, you can't turn, you have less control. Why drift is the question. I want to be able to drift 180 degrees around and then start driving backwards, all while maintaining speed. Okay, okay. I do have an idea for that. They do that in Fast 5. Want to see. Want to see? Want to see? Is it a question? Or you want to see that? Want to see. Yeah, I'll take a look. 180 degrees and then start driving backwards. That's a demand. Want to see. If it's short, yeah, I can see it. If that's a question, if you're asking me, I would like to see it. If it's short, because I'll get banned. Wait, what is this? Oh, is this still a Pitbull song? Yeah, the Pitbull song has been really been the saving grace of this stream. It's working good now. Drift mode turn. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna tell Copilot, see what he can do. Rotate the rigid body. When in drift mode. With what's this? With steering input. Let's just see what it can do. Let's put this to good work. I mean, to good use. Let's put this to work. Let's put the work to good use. Steer input. Rotate the rigid body with steering when in drift mode for better control. Let's just give him the reason too. Just to rationalize why I want to do this. What is this? This is not. I can't even go back. What happened to Pitbull? Mom says it's time to give Copilot a turn on the controller. Okay, here it is. Move rotation. No, that's not right, is it? Is it? I think it is. Okay, drift mode. Drift mode, and then, yes, if drift mode. Where's this? Fixed update? Yeah. Mm-hmm. You're so right. You're so right. Wait, I can just copy code block. Yeah, that's right. It's so right. How does it know? How does it know? If you're in drift mode turn. That's it. Straight up. Done. Drift mode turn spin. It even knows. It even knows. Okay. Give me this. Give me that. Okay. Okay. So you just want to be able to do that. Which I don't, is that, I mean, that's real, I think. Have you seen the when they kind of did that in Baby Driver? Have you seen that movie? That movie's got a car. Yeah, good job, Dom. What is it? The Baby Driver 180 in, 180 out. That baby just copied them. Yeah. But I believe they did it for real. It's a 180 in, 180 out. Right then, and then go back again. There's a cut, but apparently they did it for real. But they could be lying because there's a cut, you know? That baby just copied them. Yeah, a little bit. Was this a baby video? This video includes a caption commentary featuring an interview with the original Ape Escape composer. Yeah, they lied. Okay. What is this? I can't watch this because I'm going to get taken down. All right, let me see if this works. Do you really have to fake it? I thought drifting had some sort of benefit, but I guess it doesn't. Now that I think about it. Okay. More. It just looks really cool. Okay. Well, this is a little loud for me. Okay. The turn speed, let's crank that up to 100. I don't know if that's going to work. Ooh, okay. They screwed it up. Copilot, come on now. Make it use forces to make it smoother. Buddy? Pal? Okay. Torque, yeah, there we go. Can I copy all this? Yeah. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy this code. The power of AI. Times the mass, steer input, drift mode turn speed, times mass. Oh my goodness, I even put times mass in there. This is gonna work. In kart racers, they make drifting how you do tighter turns and also give you a boost. Okay. I'm gonna make my turning then not so good then. Here we go. Drifting. Here we go. Really good. Wow. That worked. A little too well. That was awesome. Here we go. Okay, kinda. Copilot saves the day once again. Yup. Dang. It stops me dead in my tracks though. Makes it worse. Makes drifting worse for sure. I want to make it better, not worse. So that's gonna be a problem. Okay, let's drift here. There we go. Drifting. I'm drifting. Now I actually got drifting to work really well in Mogul. Minecraft Mogul. There's no plugin like it. It's the best drifting in any game, but it does not work how you think it would work, but it does make drifting like good. What the? I'm just stopping dead in my tracks now. I almost have to completely change the physics for drift mode, but I don't want to. Made it worse. This has made it worse. Just made drifting worse. All right, Copilot, I need help. Okay, now make it so when you're drifting, it doesn't slow you down, and you maintain your speed, please. So what does it do? What does it do? What does it do? Give me something good. Okay, here's how you can modify it. Adjust the wheel steering force method to avoid reducing speed when in drift mode. Ensure the wheel acceleration braking method maintains acceleration during drifting. Here's the updated code. Thank you, my goodness. Preview? Oh, does it just change it for me here? Yeah. Accept. Thanks. That did it, right? Yeah, that's just gonna work. I'm not even gonna look at the code. It's just gonna work. I just know it. What? Some of the projects, it refers to API that has been changed. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. They're not doing it right. I can do that. That's fine. That's good. Oh, it updated it. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, good, great. Thank you, Copilot. That kind of work? That kind of works. That does not work. That sucks. It kind of worked, in a way. Okay, we're drifting. We're drifting. Oh! Maybe I'm just not good at drifting. Maybe that could be the problem. Like, you don't need to drift here. There's no point in drifting here. Okay? I understand that. Maybe drift here, though. Okay, that's good. I feel like I want to pick up speed faster. Come on now. Pick up speed. Pick up the speed. Is it working? I don't know. Feels a little... like I want to drift sometimes. Sometimes don't want me to drift. Okay, well... It's a drift. It's a type of drift. It's a way to drift. Doesn't look bad. If you want to make a sharp turn, maybe. I can't tell how the drift feels to drive, but it definitely looks good. How about I build a demo? I'll build a demo. Let me make it work with controller first, and then I'll build a demo, and you guys can try it out. I'm gonna watch you. I'm gonna watch you try it out, and I'm gonna stream you watching me watch you stream the demo. Deal? Is that a deal? Is that doable? Brought to you in part by Copilot. I don't know what Copilot changed. That's a scary thing. I don't know what this code is anymore. That's not good. I kind of want to know what the code is doing a little bit. Steering force. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, what did it do? The only thing I can tell that it did is it doesn't allow you to brake when you're in drift mode, which is weird. But I guess that makes, I don't know. It feels okay. Juicing up with skid marks, particles, and sound effects will go crazy. You watch me stream me, watch you stream you me. Yeah, you stream you me. You Yeah. Something like that. Also keep in mind the spinning wheels are not, they're not right. They're not accurate at all. Can I build this? Oh, all right. Let me get this working with controller. This needs to be working with controller. Private player. Awake player equals re-input dot players. I'm heading to GDC on Sunday. Show off big hops. Come check it out. No, you're not. Liar. Are you? That's awesome. Yep, at Day of the Devs with 300 other games. Will you be on the Day of the Devs? Are you going to be in the video that they show every year? I thought it was like an exclusive special event, but it wasn't really. Oh.
Nim's longest recorded sentence was, "Give orange me, give eat orange me, eat orange, give me eat orange, give me you."
Oh, you're not going to be in the video. Okay, I see. I'm so sorry to hear that. I'm in your video already twice. That's good enough. I mean, that's actually better. If you think, when you think about it. It's better in a way. This should work with controller after I add these inputs. Hang on, everybody. Who wants to play this demo? Who wants to play this demo and tell me how horrible it feels? This is called Excel. positive, Excel, negative, decel, and then steer, steer, handbrake, keyboard. If you want to play on keyboard, W is going to be Excel. Yep. And then S is going to be decel. I mean Excel, but decel. Then left is going to be steer, negative. And then D is steer, positive. And space is handbrake. Okay. Left stick X is steer. Where's the trigger? Trigger button. Right shoulder 2 is Excel. The range is positive. Left shoulder 2 is Excel. The range is negative. The axis contribution is negative. I think that's it. Oh wait, what's a brake button usually? Like B? Bottom row 1, 2. I think that's handbrake right there. Okay. Okay. Does this work with controller? Ow, something popped. Ooh, oh, we can cruise. We can cruise. I always love a good game that allows you to cruise. Okay, great. I just need a couple more things here. Joystick. Right stick X is look horizontal, right stick Y is look vertical. That's it. I think I'm set here. Yep. The camera's really, really slow. Who's gonna be playing with controller? I'm gonna be honest with you. $100 seems fair to price this game at, but I don't want to spend $100 to put it on Steam right now. Not at this point in time. You know what I could do? Ooh. To make drifting a little more, to make it make sense, maybe cars could have like a boost. So if you want to boost, you want to like get into the right direction and then boost from there. Like press A to, so you can do a quick 180 and then boost the other way. That might make sense. That might give drifting more. Oriental Riff shout out. I heard it. Right here. Okay. I'm building it. I don't even know what's playing. Oh, here it is. Okay, I'm gonna build this to my desktop. No, I'm not. I'm gonna build it right into the project folder. Yeah. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. I love the Oriental Riff. It's a classic. It's one of the greatest riffs. Rush Hour Rift. Riff. I wonder how long. This should not take that long to build, but it could take a really long time.
With me, you always know right where I am. Behind the wheel.
Okay, I only need to build 400. I only need to build 400 shader variants. Done. That was easy. Now I just need to package the assets and build a couple shader variants. There are too many cars in the game. There's a lot. There are a lot of cars in the game. The car feels pretty good actually. I'm surprised that it feels pretty okay. Now, is anyone willing to you don't need to turn on the mic or anything, but is anyone willing to share their screen so I can witness the test? Sure. All right. We can join the Simp Watch or the gaming chat on the server, and I can take a look here, and maybe the experts can tell me what's going on. Feels good on controller. Keyboard and mouse work too. Keyboard and mouse work too. It's about to be built. I can feel it. Mick is gonna find the infinite money exploit, and the game's economy is gonna be ruined. That's fine. Nobody cares about the economy. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to my MediaFire tab and sign in to my MediaFire tab. Should be here any second now. Oh my goodness, let me test this. Please hold. There's no way to quit the game. You gotta Alt F4. Oops, I accidentally opened it on my second monitor. Oh well. Okay, it seems to work. Things seem to be working here. Okay, just try not to flip your car. And unless you want to stop playing. I'm uploading to MediaFire. Okay. Hello?
Hello?
Hello? I've got
Hello?
I've got the link for you right here. Where is it? Where should I put it? Game design.
Put it on my head.
Okay. Here, I'm putting it in game design. That's the game I designed. Enjoy. Is that the co-pilot speaking? Yeah, this is co-pilot. Say hello, co-pilot.
Downloading.
Co-pilot's downloading. Co-pilot saves the day once again. Thank you, co-pilot. I'm ready to see start. All right, 1 second. We're downloading. I'm just in the Discord. If anyone wants to join and show me the game, show me what you've got.
Downloaded.
I think it's good. You're on Windows, right?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. Well, let's just hope it works then. All right. Okay. That's looking good. Look, your reality is yours. Stop wasting time looking at someone else's reality while doing nothing about yours. I think you got the worst Steve Harvey picture I've ever seen in my life. That's flash. That's a harsh lighting after a long night of partying. Thank you. Now shut it down. Get him off my screen. Thank you. Okay, Project Lemon. Yeah, don't click the don't run. Just click. No, you gotta do that. You gotta do something else. Are you on Windows 7? Copilot's on Windows 7.
Whoa.
That's cinematic. You got an ultra widescreen?
Yeah, I'm using Vitcher glasses right now, so I don't have a real screen in front of me. XR glasses.
Oh. The Ray-Bans?
Yep. The
Ray-Ban-
Rayman.
The Ray-Ban AI XR?
How do I drift?
You tap B for the handbrake.
On the keyboard or on a
press
controller?
on a controller it's B. On the keyboard it's space. Are you on controller?
I plugged in my controller. I have to restart.
Gotta restart your computer. I mean your glasses. Who's that? Oh, is that for a new hooded
This is
character?
for Roland Rascal.
Roland Rascal. That's clean. That's clean. He doesn't have a space bar. You don't have a space bar?
Controller doesn't work.
It doesn't? What kind of
What are
controller?
you using?
I
This
was
is
using
PlayStation 4.
Oh, I might have to manually add that. I'm using just the generic controller, which I think also works with Xbox controller.
Let me grab a different one.
Okay. Game's busted. No, the game's not busted. It's just it's a very early, very, very early demo prototype. It intentionally only works with a different controller. Non-PlayStation controller, probably. You stop what? Someone doing. Steve Harvey. Steve Harvey said that.
All right, trying Nintendo Switch.
Okay. I don't know if that's. Oh, you could try. Yeah, okay.
Oh, it's working.
Is it working?
No.
The brake's working? It's gonna. It looks right. What is that? Wow, that's a smooth game. Oh, you can. Oh yeah, I forgot that's. Yeah. That could work. And if you just tap, if you just tap it, you know, and then go into reverse. You stuck? No. No. I think he got stuck. Okay. Okay. I don't know if it's possible. Oh. I think that was it. That was it. Wow. That's that's a high skill ceiling sort of deal. That worked though. Did you actually do it?
Yeah, I did it.
I don't know. I don't know if I was paying attention or not. That's pretty close. Huh.
Damn.
That's success. That's a success. I think I can. That's it. I can move on from that. Dang. What if it were a button? Like a specially designed button. I don't know why you do that, but a man, a few words. Yep, I did it. It's all you need. It's a simple question. Requires a simple answer. That's consistent. How does it feel?
Feels like I'm driving my grandma's car.
Is that good? Is that? Well, I don't know your grandma. Logan, are you gonna test it out? Am I gonna be able to see Logan underscore core playtest? My grandma is pretty cool. Okay. We're hoping for a grandma feeling. No controller. You can use keyboard and mouse.
I grandma feeling. It feels inconsistent, that's all. Sometimes I can get a
Oh.
really good drift. Sometimes I can't.
You know, I think that's my problem too. I was, sometimes just wanted to turn into something, but maybe I should make it there's like a minimum break time. I think that might help with the consistency.
Ooh, look at that.
That's smooth. It is smooth though. That's pretty good. It's no mogul
Boom,
drifting.
you looking for this? Don Cheadle. God, I can't get this. There we go.
That was smooth. That was real smooth. It's no mogul drifting, let's just say that. Well, it's different. It's different. Mogul drifting's really unrealistic, but it is fun. I think you can do the 180 and oh, you know what? You can't do that. You can't do this in mogul. You can't do the 180. Dang. Now, is there a reason why cars would be able to, like, is there a reason why you'd want to do this other than it being cool?
No.
No? So what's this game going to be? Cop car pizza game? Oh, that could be good. Is it fixed? Yeah, it's fixed, Bling. Please. Give you the demo? Hop into we're in gaming right now on the Denikel server. And the show me your gameplay, and I put the link in game design. Please. I'm getting some good feedback so far. Ignore the wheel spin though. The wheel spin doesn't look right yet. Hurry up, Bling. Hurry up. This game is brought to you by Copilot.
Hello.
Hello? Howdy. You there? Mic check?
Hello.
That loud? Is that too loud? That's good. Welcome. Let's get a dual stream going.
The game? Where's the game?
It's in game design. Logan. Hello, Logan.
Join my server, guys.
What?
I'm joining.
Join the server. Okay. This is not Logan. This is the wrong game. This is not. And I can hear myself. Wait, you got an echo. I can hear myself. You had a crazy echo. You got an echo. You had a crazy echo. Oh, okay. I don't know how do I get the grid? Oh, there we go. That's better. Okay, this is looking good. He's got the stream up. Yeah, you have the stream up? Don't have the stream up. Oh, he's gone? Thank you, Logan. That was awesome.
The Simpsons house.
It's close. I tried to make it look like Homer's house, yeah. The Simpson house. These are the default assets that Kenny has on his website. Kenny assets. I just need some
Unfortunate name.
Kenny?
Kenny Assets.
Kenny assets. Bling. Boot it up.
I'm downloading it.
Are you at the liquor store?
No, not anymore. I made it home. Is this a controller game or a keyboard game?
I think controller's smoother.
Okay.
Might be more fun, but you can use keyboard.
I'm gonna use a controller. I reckon.
It's up to you. I've been testing with keyboard and it still seems fun and with keyboard. But controller might be better. Best I can do is couch co-op multiplayer.
Oh, I thought I was joining a server.
No. That would be good. That would be cool. Now Logan rage quit because it was too difficult. Ignore the wheels on the loop. They need some tweaking. And you can tap B or hold B for the handbrake. Let me try and zoom. I'm gonna try and zoom in on this. There you go. Looking good. How's it feel? Uh-oh. Okay, you're gonna have to Alt F4. Yeah, this isn't like mogul drifting though. Mogul drifting, you can stay in a drift for like half an hour. This one's a little tricky. It's mostly for making sharper turns. Am I learning from this? Just barely. Just barely. I'm learning enough. It works. It looks good. It's functional. Need some tweaking. Yeah, you can drive on the side of a wall if you do it right. All right, you all right, Mick? What are you trying to what are you trying to accomplish? Bling, you're muted. Let me hear what's going on in your house.
I was talking this whole time.
You're muted.
I was asking where everybody is.
Oh. You're on a private server.
Oh,
How's it feel?
feels great. I was saying it feels better than it looked earlier. Feels way better than it looked earlier.
It feels better than it looked. Okay.
It feels great. I don't know what you did, but do it again.
Okay. Great. It's got that spin. It's got an unrealistic spin, but
I think that's realistic.
my thoughts are your reality is yours. So stop wasting time looking at someone else's reality while doing nothing about yours. Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
That's kind of the whole. That's the whole concept. Don't look at that. That's the whole concept uh of the game, in my opinion. God, he needs help. He looks like he needs help. There's a sadness in his eyes. Steve update? I'll have a Steve update. The game is coming along though. I like it. This is a $100 game. Okay, we're going down. I wish this picture were longer. Let's just say that. Steve Jiggle Physics update. All right, you broke.
I got stuck.
Yeah, I could see that. I could see.
Get me out of here.
I can't. You're gonna have to Alt F4.
Oh, my
Yeah.
wheels.
Yeah, where are your wheels going? That should not be happening.
I wonder when they'll stop.
Thanks for testing, Mick, Steven, Copilot, Mick. Everybody, Mick's gonna be there at the YouTube Game Dev Awards show, March 20th, Thursday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's gonna be live. We don't know what he's gonna do. Oh my god. My stomach's growling at me. Mick will be there. He will be searching through his files for about we gave him half an hour. We gave him a half an hour segment. So he's just searching. I think it's just searching through his files for half an hour. Seeing what he's got. Be honest, would you date Ellen? Would you date Ellen DeGenerate? Okay, I think I gotta end the stream. Definitely gotta end the stream. I'd like to stream tomorrow some of those 3D platformer demos though. I think that would be good. One race, one world, one love. Did he really post that? That's not edited?
My wheels are still going away.
It's got some. That's not a problem.
It's a feature.
That's a feature. The Vin Diesel folder. Is that the Vin Diesel folder? Can't even see that. It's so small. What does that say? Oh my god, that's a frame. That's actually a frame from the YouTube Game Dev Awards show. If you want a sneak peek, here you go. Take a good look. Yoshi can attest to that. Yoshi can confirm that is actually a frame. This is actually a frame from the YouTube Game Dev Awards show, March 20th,
How many
Thursday.
frames?
How many frames? It's got to be probably at least 200 frames of the show, I think. And we're filming at 24 frames per second. This is a 24 frame per second show. Who is that? Is that Jackie Chan? It doesn't look like him. It barely looks like him. It looked like him for a second.
He looks like he's in a pickle.
Yeah, that looks like Jackie Chan. That looks like CGI Jackie Chan. That one's good. Is that photoshopped? Is that gut extra? Is that extruded? All right. Thank you. Thank you everybody. Thank you Bling for testing. The wheels are still the wheels are still going.
Yeah, that picture was real.
All right. Thank you everyone. Thank you for testing the game. I'm going to keep working on it. Thank you,
Merry
Logan.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Logan_core just by Damia Burrito.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Feel free to delete the game. You're on a timed limit. I'm deleting the download now. Yeah, wave goodbye with the wheels. Oh wait, I can't see it on stream. Hold on, there you go. Wave goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye. And goodbye. Let me fix my screen before I go. I don't want to fix this. I don't want to fix this off screen. All right, that was an awesome test. Thank you, Logan and Bling and Mick for testing that game. I got no feedback from Bling though. He just loved it. So we're almost ready to ship. I just need to get it a little more consistent. Get the drifting more consistent. All right. How do I turn this off? There it is. Oops. What did I do? There it is. Hey. All right. Thanks for coming over. See you tomorrow. Please click the little bell icon underneath the YouTube Game Dev Awards Show 2025 video to be notified, because it's going to be coming at you live, kind of, in a way. It's going to be premiering on Thursday, March 20th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. You clicked it? Thank God. Thank you, everybody. Should I run a commercial on the Bling Money Show tomorrow? Yes, you should. Everyone should hear about this. I think we have 2 people confirmed to be watching, so that's exciting news. Okay. I can't wait. Goodbye. See you. Put you down for 1, please. I did already. 3 people confirmed. 3 people. And 3 people you show. Oh, 3 people at 1 monitor. That's good. Okay. Goodbye. Forever. For real. Bye.